because as you rightly said, too much of content, bombardment. We are becoming a very society which is just all about consuming. You could just sit at the
Yes, we are.
screen. It won't stop. It's 24/7. And you
Yeah,
find all and the younger generation in particular, totally into the devices, into the content. So
yeah,
the
yeah,
outlet,
absolutely.
while you're just taking in, yes, there are many who are creating content as well. I'm not saying they're not. But then, are they truly expressing yourself? Mostly it is for social media where it is make believe, which is not your true
It
self.
is big, you know.
Whereas art,
And
art
the
I think provides that
quantity of
medium,
content.
to express. Yeah,
Yes,
right.
yes.
And art actually provides you that platform or the medium, whatever you want to call it, to truly express what's inside you. So fantastic.
Right,
So
absolutely.
thanks so much for your thoughts, and thank you, Nikita,
Thank you.
for your hard work and the dedication towards this initiative. It's really great to see a young talent like you taking an active interest in promoting health and wellness through art, of course. So now let's move on to the most exciting part of the show, and which is the exhibition viewing. So we invite all of you to view the artworks, showcased. We'll have a look at them jointly. This will be the first time that the all of us would be having a look at some of the amazing artworks that have been created and shared by students and artists alike. So thank you. So thank you everybody for joining in and for being part of the show and also the launch of the online exhibition of Art for Healing. And the results would be announced by the jury once they compile the results by the end of the day today. So we would like to thank all our guests as well for joining and sharing their valuable insights. Professor Shaz,
Thank you so
uh,
much.
Harsh, of course,
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
and
Thank you.
yes, and all the participants who submitted their artworks for the competition. It's your creativity and your dedication at the end of the day that has made this exhibition possible and a huge success. And we look forward to having all of you together once again for more such workshops
Awesome.
where we would
Congratulations,
be able to
everyone.
see
And
more
thank you
creativity
once
and
again.
positivity.
All right. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Please
Thank you. Thank
enjoy
you for having.
some music. Yeah, you're welcome.
Thanks, Harsh.
Congratulations, dear artists of the 50 selected artworks. With hearts full of pride and admiration, we extend our warmest congratulations to all of you. Each of you has showcased immense talent, creativity, and the power of healing through your art. And kudos to Sarojini Datta and Rajni Vora as well for their outstanding contribution and a remarkable tie in the competition. We understand that the anticipation for the results has been overwhelming, but surely the wait has been worth it. In order to give you the most deserving and unbiased results, we have delayed the stream just for a bit. So now, as we bid a farewell to this workshop, we have an exciting sneak peek for our upcoming Art for Healing workshop. It's our great pleasure to introduce you to our next esteemed panelist, Rupila. We request Venkatesh to do the honors and introduce her as we look forward to another incredible workshop. Venki, over to you.
Happy to have you on board, Rupila. Just to give you a brief introduction, Rupila is, of course, apart from knowing her personally and a dear friend, she is a very accomplished artist. She is a certified Hatha Yoga instructor from the Isha Foundation, and she is also an avid horse rider. And some beautiful horses, I've seen them personally. So welcome to the show, Rupila.
Thank you so much, Venki. Thank you for such kind words. And thank you for inviting me to be on the program.
So happy to have you. So, Rupila, first up, what does art mean to you, and how do you think it can help in healing and wellness?
So to me, art, as somebody said, it means something very, very profound to me. It is like a bridge. I'd read somewhere that it is like a bridge to me between the inner and the outer worlds, balancing both the worlds. It is that profound to me. And also it is a state of art as therapy holds immense value to me.
Right. So, of course, I totally agree with that. And how would you incorporate themes related to healing and wellness in your artworks? So how do you do that?
For me personally, Venki, I'm very, very passionate about horses. So every time I sit down with paints and brushes, it's only horses which come out. And and it's like it just puts me in a state of so much joy and happiness and a connect, which is amazing, and also brings a stillness, a certain stillness inside me, a joyful stillness.
So, and what techniques do you use to, let your emotions come out in the form of artworks on the canvas or whatever that you're doing? Is there anything specific that you use? I mean, do you just go with the flow, or how does it work for you?
So at the farm where I stay, I've created artworks on mud walls. These mud plastered walls. We've created rooms with mud plastered walls, and I just let go, and I paint on the mud walls. And I use acrylic paints, and I've painted on canvases as well. And on canvases, I've done acrylic as well as oil paints, dabbled with oil as well as acrylic. But it's a delight to work with paint on mud walls. That is something very interesting.
Fantastic. So thank you so much, Rupila, for sharing your thoughts and joining us. And we look forward to having you over for the Art for Healing painting workshop. Thanks so much. See you soon.
Thank you so much. I look forward to it too. Thank you.